na se beye na nwumadi ekoso emu betumi ada honom kama akontabo nso betumi akoso na bibia nso so no ededa na akwam ni tina Ghana Journalists Association panyefo esre se eye MDHI Bill 2025 no panyefo betumi atwentwen somre no mfa bi nka ho na bibia no etumi koye.
President Ghana Journalists Association Albert Kwabena Jumfo Kasa ewon sentrofo nhyiemu ase no wode atodwa se nhyehyeye aban no ede egu akwan so obema ekwan mu adaho womo ekasa ewo abefo kwan so entro kwan so ene de ensem fata womo de mra bi eba eye misinformation, disinformation, hate speech, publication of offensive materials bill 2025 no ekame ayese aban no eji insentrofo eye GJA fo efrimu wo hwese aban no ebetwentwen so na wo nso edimu akotini bi.
We are all witnesses to happenings online and offline, good and bad. We cannot deny that there are unacceptable materials in the traditional and new media platforms. Even though the GJA acknowledges the urgent need to stem the rising tide of misinformation, disinformation, and hate speech, the association firmly rejects any legislative process that excludes key stakeholders or threatens constitutionally guaranteed freedom of expression. It is legitimate fears that the legislation, if passed in its current form or through a rash process, could inadvertently weaponize state power against the media and silence critical voices. Even if this current government has no intention of weaponizing such legislation, a subsequent government may.
What signed the atudwa says Cyber Security Amendment Bill 2025 a free a year Ministry of Communication and also no a when she be wa and be here pass a 1 year consultation.
Though the bill is presented as an instrument to fight cybercrime, the draft contains vaguely offenses or worded offenses. It contains vaguely worded offenses, expanded state powers, and broad enforcement tools that without robust safeguards for us risk being used to undermine journalism, criminalize legitimate online reporting, enable surveillance of journalists and sources, and undermine press freedom.